Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fish biryani. It's a flavorful and aromatic prepared from Indian spices, loaded with incredible flavors and a hint of sourness. Fish biryani is a flavorful mix of rice, fish and perfect blend of spices. So let's get started. I'll be showing you a step-by-step of different stages. So first we will start with fish, so marination of fish. So I have taken 1 kg of fish. You can take any fish of your choice. So for marination I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and juice of 1 lemon. Mix and apply on fish. Mix properly and then apply on fish pieces. Mix properly and keep it aside for an hour. Now moving to rice. I have taken 3 cups of rice that I had soaked for an hour, or you can follow the instructions or packaging. And I have taken 3 small cinnamon sticks, 3 bay leaves, salt 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds or shahi zira, and oil I have taken 1 tablespoon. Now in a pot I have taken around 15 cups of water. Once it starts to boil, we will add salt, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds and oil. Let it boil for a while and then add soaked rice. Let it boil on high flame for around 6 to 8 minutes, or you can follow the instructions on the packaging. After 8 minutes on high flame, rice should be around 70 to 80% done. Then we will strain the rice and keep it aside. Now I'll show you the other ingredients that I have used. I have taken 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 black cardamoms, 1 anise seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 green cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 to 7 cloves, 8 to 10 black peppercorns and 2 bay leaves, a bunch of chopped green coriander and mint leaves and a few green chilies. And I have taken 1 tomato diced, 1 sliced onion, half a cup of oil, juice of 1 lemon and food color red and orange. You can skip them, it's optional. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and I'll fry marinated fish. We don't have to deep fry it, we have to fry it on all sides. Now in a pan I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil and added whole spices, green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaves, anise seed, cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorns and ginger garlic paste. Saute properly. And then add onions. Fry. Here the flame I have kept is between medium to high. Keep stirring and add half of the mint and coriander leaf mix and chilies and fry them till onions are brown. Now once the onions are fried properly, we will add tomatoes. Mix and let them cook till tomatoes are soft. Now once the tomatoes are soft, we will add salt, chili powder, cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, biryani masala and garam masala. Mix and let them fry properly. Then add lemon juice. Then add fried fish and half a cup of water so that fish won't stick, and cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Now here, after a few minutes on low flame, we can see that almost all the water is absorbed. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame. Moving to the final stage, layering of biryani. In a pot, add a layer of fish pieces. I'm adding towards the side so that it's easy while we serve the fish biryani later. And a few tablespoons of water. This will help fish not to stick to the pot. And add a layer of rice and sprinkle some chopped coriander and mint. Or you can add fried onions also if you have. And again the layer of fish and the rice. So we will be arranging rice and fish like this in layers, and sprinkle mint and coriander leaves, or you can add fried onions also. Now at the top I am adding food color. I have orange and red. You can skip them if you don't want. So I'll just put it at some places. Now I'm using a kitchen towel to cover it so that no steam escapes. So here I'll show you how I'll place a kitchen towel on it and then cover it with a lid. This way no steam will escape it. And now I'll let it cook for 30 minutes on low flame. Now after around 30 minutes on low flame, biryani is ready. Now I'll dish it out. Here the tempting and aromatic fish biryani is ready. It's a luxurious biryani, protein packed and extremely flavorful. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns.